Hey guys, my name is Obop. We're here in Blairsville today with Louis Inca 4x4. We have John in the background with his dog Dash. We decided to make a last minute trip last night. Everybody was doing a little bit of everything with family, and the very last minute we put up a trip together. We came over here with Inca. So we're putting the Defender through a little test today and yesterday. We have the Land Rover in the background. We hit a beautiful weather. We have my 2000 Toyota Tundra. I'm also doing a little testing products and stuff and what works, what doesn't, if we're carrying too much or not. And here we are, beautiful day, beautiful weather. We had a magnificent night last night with the weather. Everything worked out just perfect as a very last minute plan. So I'll get you back to Inca.
Hey guys, so the lighting's a little bit bad, but we have a fire going. My friend Opop and John are here, and Opop, he's pretty much taken over the cooking for this trip, and he's got the ice cold fridge, so he's gonna go over all this setup he's got, and I'm really excited. He brought out different cheeses, salami, he's got the scottle, so I'm really excited about what he's got going on here. So stay tuned. We do a Inca 4x4 camper install on a 2023 Tacoma TRD. I want to give a big shout out to Chris, the owner, for his service. He's a veteran, and we did this at Off-Road Toys South Atlanta, so make sure to check out Donald. Then this video will be on the Corbin Creek, Bell Mountain, and checking out Sunrise Grocery Store with the new to me Defender. All right, so this is Opop. You can follow him. I'll put it up here, and then he's gonna tell us what he's kind of preparing for us.
So I'm doing a little snacks before I cook dinner. The snacks is salami, the goat cheese, blueberry vanilla, and crackers with the pepper jack cheese before I start cooking hamburgers. So on the hamburgers, I'm gonna use the goat cheese as well. I got these at the Aldi stores. This is a blueberry vanilla over the meat, loaded with bacon, and pepper jack cheese over the bread that I'm using is a French brioche, and that's it.
Yeah, so I'll show you guys in a second how this all turns out, but this already looks amazing.
Yeah, we had a long 2-3 hours trying to get to the trails. It's during the day it's kind of hot, but the night turned out to be pretty. Like it dropped maybe 20 degrees, a lot cooler.
Yeah, it's been pretty hot here in the southeast, but it's pretty comfortable now, yeah.
Yeah, and we got thrown off by the weather a little bit, thinking it was gonna be too hot, and all of a sudden rain came by, storm came by, and it cooled things down, which it turned out just perfect. We're not gonna need any fans or anything like that for tonight. We have a nice breeze.
We're here, you can hear the water, the babbling brooks nearby.
We have a creek going on in the background. We have fire going on right there that Louis and John put together.
So this is gonna be good. So I'll show you guys when we hit up the scottle, but you could already see the blue cheese, the salami, and the crackers. This is gonna be really good. Thank you, Opop, for sharing this with us.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
So here I'm waking up from the Gazelle tent, a quick deploying tent. I use the Zero Breeze air conditioning unit, and next I'm gonna show you the JOOLCA shower system, which is a game changer. So look, I'm gonna show you guys the JOOLCA system. You basically you throw this filtered line into a creek, river, whatever, and then it comes with all the connections. You have to get the essentials with the pump, and then as soon as you turn this on, hot water comes on, and then you see it. You have to regulate the water, and yeah, that's hot water. So I'm gonna take a quick shower, and And the truck and everything's up there. We're in this creek. And I got my towel right there. So the main point of this trip was to test out the Land Rover Defender's capability. We did Corbin Creek, which is a popular place I highly recommend, but may get busy, but there's great camping spots. I'll put the link in the description. We go over to Jason's at Sunrise Grocery Store before tackling climbing Bell Mountain, which is super steep. All right, so it's making it to the top. First gear, Land Rover Discovery. This may be the first Land Rover Defender up at this mountain. Let me show you this. Hey guys, so we made it. The Rover, let me talk to my boy John over here. John, how did the Rover do? Are you a Rover fan?
No, not at all.
Hell yeah, he's getting a Defender. You're getting a Rover, right? You're trained in the Tundra? You're trained in the Tundra, right? Yeah, he's doing it. We're Rover guys now. But yeah, we made it out to the lake. Yeah, just leave a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everything. Don't worry, we'll get the beach bodies back in shape.